is the crocheting method for the 9th round. 1 chain stitch grain, 62 single crochet, slip stitch. There are 62 stitches in total for this round. Now let's crochet the 9th round. First, chain 1 stitch from bottom to top as a turning chain for single crochets. We are going to crochet 62 single crochets in this round. Insert the hook into the slip stitch position. To crochet the first single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch. Pick up 1 stitch, which includes the front and the back of the V shape. Thread over and pull through the stitch. At this point, there should be 2 loops on the hook. Thread over and pull through these 2 loops. That completes the first single crochet. Let's attach a stitch marker here. Move to the second stitch. We'll also crochet a single crochet here. Insert the hook into the stitch. Thread over and pull through. Thread over again. Pull through the 2 loops. Finish the second single crochet. We need to crochet a round of single crochet stitches. We need a total of 62 single crochets. Now we've finished crocheting the 9th round. There are 62 single crochets in total. You can count the stitches to verify. Make a slip stitch at the position of the first stitch where the stitch marker was. Remove the stitch marker. The third V-shaped stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Pull the yarn through to form a loop. Then pull that loop through the last remaining loop on the hook. This way, we've completed all the crocheting for the 9th round.